for watching. You know, if you're using plans and your garage is a mess like mine usually is, it's nice to have a place just to, you know, set them out of the way. They're always there, nice and clean access, a pencil. And I like to have a highlighter when I'm working on plans. That way I can make changes and highlight the areas I make changes on. And it's really a little handy project that just takes minutes to build. It does not take long. I want to do a couple quick shout outs here real quick to Jay Bates and Matthias Wandel. I've been working on all these plans for the channel and for my website, and if it wasn't for them it wouldn't be possible. Jay has really great, if you're just getting started in SketchUp, or if you haven't tried or been a little bit intimidated, check out Jay Bates' SketchUp tutorials. They're awesome. They're fast-paced, they're quick, they right to the point, and he does a really good job of explaining the basics of SketchUp. And Matthias has got some good SketchUp videos as well, describing some of the finer points of layouts, and just check them out. They're really good. Also, Matthias has a program called Big Print, and I'm sure many of you know of it, but for those of you that don't and are using plans for woodworking projects, it's an absolutely amazing program. You can pretty much take any plan that's done in scale and scale it to a full-size layout, and that's really handy for things like pieces that have contours, round pieces, if you're doing gears. So check it out. That's a really good thing. It's on his website. I'll have links down in the description box below. Again, thanks for watching. I'm working on our next project. I hope to have that video up in the next couple of days. So get out of my garage so I can get to work. Talk to you later.